Rollercoin are back with a new progression event, although this time the progression event is a bit shorter and it's called Pandora Box. Stay tuned to find out more. Okay, so Pandora's Box on Rollercoin. Let's see what this progression event has to offer. So here on my screen you can see the progression event at the top here. For some reason, I don't know why the title of the progression event is missing under that little hamster there. But anyway, more details. And we can see that the time remaining is 3 days and 48 minutes. So it's around 3 more days remaining at the time that I am recording this video. So by the time the video will be up, which will most likely be tomorrow, there'll be probably 2 days or a little more than 2 days remaining for you to be able to get all those prizes. Now, all the rewards that are being offered in Pandora's Box are 20 in total, and I'll be showing you the list shortly like I always do as well. And I'll also be calculating the total amount of mining power with the miners that you can receive with the progression event, and also the bonuses. So don't forget the bonuses that actually come with the miners as well. So we can see that the highest, most powerful miner is the Pandora's Box miner at 682 terahash. So that is pretty good as well. That's pretty much on par with the Brilliance Bay miner that there was in the Miami Heatwave progression event, which was the progression event before this one. At the moment, I am trying to get this Ant miner here, 22 terahash. Okay, I believe it's called the Ant miner. And as you can see, the base points get to a higher difficulty level in a game, 500 points, 1000 for spending 1 RLT except in the marketplace, and spending 1 RLT in the marketplace will give you 300 points. Obviously, if you have the multiplier applied, you'll blast through that and you'll get many more points, and you'll be able to get through the event even faster. Now, like I always like to do, here is the list of all of the rewards that you can receive in this progression event. Again, thank you to Piero for this information. So 20 total levels, not 25 like usual. The time was shorter for this one. I believe it was a total of 5 days in total. There are the Fang symbol, for example. So we're going back with the Fang symbols like we had in previous progression events before. And I think that was in the previous season actually as well. And if we go down the list here, we can see that at level 20 we have the Pandora's Box, which is the highest level miner, which will also give you 2.5% bonus right there. There are also a couple of racks. There's one called the Swedish Miracle Rack 8, which I have not seen before, and that's going to give you a 6% bonus, and you can put 8 miners on that rack. Okay, and that's full scale miners, full large 2 slot miners, because if you put the 1 slot miners, you'll be able to put 16 on there. There's also the Hasher Rack 8, so basically it's the 8 rack miners in the Pandora Box progression event. I've already gotten through the regular rack here at level 4. So currently I am, yes, I was correct, it was the Ant miner, and I'm currently at level 6, trying to get that at the moment. Okay, and I've got 3 days remaining to try and get as many of these as I possibly can. Now, I have calculated the total amount of power that you can get with the miners. Okay, I'm not including the racks here. I'm not including the bonuses for the racks. So with the miners, if you receive all of the miners, all 20 levels, you get past all 20 levels and get even the last 2 miners, last miner as well, then you will get a total of 1.8 or just shy of 1.8 petahash per second. Okay, so here is the calculation for that, because I have already calculated it, and I've also calculated for each bonus that you can get for the miners. Not all of them offer a bonus, like the Ant miner has a 0% bonus, but the bonus is added to your overall network power that you have in your room. Okay, so for example, if currently I have here 36.33 petahash per second, I've currently got 77.4%. That any miner that I get that I don't already have that has a bonus attached to it will be added to this bonus right here, to the overall power of my room, okay? For some reason the room is currently not loading, might be something wrong there, but it does this sometimes. Just give it some time and it will come back. And so basically if I calculate all of the bonuses as well, that came just shy of 11%, okay? If you get all of the miners, and that 11% will be applicable, well, 10.89% will be applicable for miners that you don't already have in your room. So if I already have all of these miners, I'm not going to get any bonus, okay? So what I can then do is maybe merge the miners to get to an uncommon level, or maybe a rare level, an epic level, legendary level, things like that. And then I'll be able to get the bonus points for the different type of miner. I always like to keep one basic miner if it's got a bonus attached to it. If, for example, I've got an Ent miner already, which has got 0% bonus, then I've got nothing to lose if I get the other Ent miner here. Then I won't have anything to lose if I merge them, because if I merge them, I'm just going to get a better percentage, okay? I'm going to get at least something more out of that, not just the power, not just a more powerful miner, but also a bonus that comes along with it, okay? So I do like, for example, if I do have the JBS 200 already and I've only got one of those, I'm not going to merge it because I'll lose 0.5. Potentially I'll be gaining a bit more. I'll be gaining maybe 0.66. But unless it's going to be a 1% bonus, which is going to be double, then I'm not going to go and merge that, because I'd be losing 0.5 just to get 0.66. Yes, it will be slightly better, but I prefer keeping the 0.5 and then further down the road maybe getting 2 more of those JBS 200s and merging those, and I'll have the 0.5 plus, I'm giving you an example here, 0.66 if it were to be merged to an uncommon miner, okay? So do keep these little things in mind, because they will help you along in order to achieve more power as well. If it's got a 0% bonus and you've got 2 of them, and I'm going to get another magma, for example, then go ahead, merge it. Why not? You're definitely going to get some bonus power when you do merge, at least to the uncommon, which is the level 2 level of any miner, okay? So those are the calculations all out of the way. I'm not going to drag it out too long, because that is basically what I wanted to show you, and the time on this, as I said, is a bit limited. So make sure you get cracking to try and get as many rewards as possible. Check out my other videos on Rollercoin as well, where I explain how you can use multipliers more effectively as well, and another video I have as well on how you can finish games faster to achieve the most out of the multiplier that you have applied as well, and to make the most out of your time. So I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.